James police have charged 33-year-old Rushane Patterson with the murder of Police have charged 33-year-old Rushane Patterson with the murder of 35-year-old social media influencer Anika Townsend, otherwise called Kian or Slickianna. Patterson was formally charged with murder this afternoon following consultations with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and the JCF Legal Services Division.
A 47-year-old security guard has been charged with misprision of a felony in relation to the same matter. He's Rowan Rose, otherwise called Early B.
Head of the St. James Police, SSP Vernon Ellis, confirmed the murder charge of Patterson this afternoon. The police say during the course of the investigation, an abundance of forensic, cyber-forensic, and other technological evidence were collected.
SSP Ellis says a post-mortem examination conducted on Townsend's body on November 5 concluded that her death was caused by strangulation.
St. James Police have charged 33 years old Rushane Patterson, otherwise called Chizzy, who is of a Harvey River, Hanover address, with the murder of 35-year-old social media influencer Anika Townsend, otherwise called Kian or Slickianna. A post-mortem examination that was conducted on her body on November 5th concluded that her death was caused by strangulation. The post-mortem estimates that Ms. Townsend was killed at some time between the hours of 11 p.m. Thursday, October 20th and 9 a.m. October 21st.
Forensic, cyber-forensic, and other technological evidence were collected.
The facts are that on Thursday, October 20th, Ms. Townsend traveled from Kingston to Montego Bay, where she was picked up by Patterson at approximately 7:30 p.m. During the course of the evening, they visited a restaurant in Hanover and a guest house in St. James. At some point in the night, an argument developed between them, which resulted in Ms. Townsend being strangled by Patterson and her body disposed.
November 2, Rushane Patterson was arrested during a high-level intelligence-driven operation. He was later charged for an unrelated case of assault that occurred in the St. Andrews South Police Division.
It is stemming from an incident that occurred in 2018 where he was alleged to have physically assaulted a woman after a jealous rage. That matter will be mentioned in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court.